the real reason he walked away and how to fix it. Breakups are painful, confusing, and often leave you wondering what went wrong. Understanding the real reason he walked away is crucial if you want to rebuild the relationship or gain closure. While every situation is unique, most breakups share common underlying causes. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 7 key reasons he left and practical ways to address them. 1. Emotional disconnection. He may have felt a lack of emotional intimacy. Show genuine interest in his feelings, listen attentively, and create safe spaces for open conversations. 2. Loss of respect, disrespect, criticism, or taking him for granted can push him away. Rebuild respect by valuing his opinions and actions. 3. Feeling controlled. Men need freedom in a relationship. Avoid being overly controlling, support his individuality and personal space. 4. Communication breakdown. Misunderstandings and unspoken frustrations build up. Practice honest, calm, and consistent communication. 5. Unmet needs. Everyone has emotional and physical needs. Identify what he values and make small, thoughtful efforts to meet them. 6. Lack of appreciation. If he feels unappreciated, emotional distance grows. Express gratitude and acknowledge his contributions regularly. 7. External stressors, work, family, or personal issues can make him withdraw. Be supportive, patient, and understanding without trying to fix everything. Rebuilding a relationship requires patience and effort. Focus on open communication, mutual respect, and emotional reconnection. By addressing these core issues, you can create a stronger bond and potentially win him back. Understanding the real reason he walked away is the first step toward healing and restoring the love that once existed. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.